Well, hello and good afternoon, everybody. It's about 11:30, and I thought today I am going to make some pork steak in my Insta pot, but I am going to brown it first on my griddle. So I took my pork steak and I just put it in salt water and let it soak. Just drained that, and I'll get my, just put some oregano, olive oil onto my griddle. Y'all know I've been wanting another griddle. I couldn't find one, so I went to McKinney, Texas, and I found this griddle for $4.99 at the Goodwill. Just sitting there like it. I went in to look for a bread machine and maybe a griddle. This was sitting there just like it was meant for me to find it, right in near the front door. And it was just there. So I knew it was meant to. So now I'm going to take my, I'm going to turn that up. I'm just going to lightly I'm just going to brown that to seal in those juices once I put that in the Insta pot. Yeah, this is a better griddle than the one I had. And I think I paid $70 years ago for that other one. And now we're coming up that brown or seared. You want it seared, and that'll lock those juices in. I'm going to add just a little bit of that poultry seasoning that we had the other day. Just going to add a little to it. And we homemade that poultry seasoning, if y'all remember. That's a good seasoning, not just for poultry. Just a good seasoning to use, and put some salt on it. And a pepper. You know, I could have done those just right here on this, but I'm going to go ahead and put them in my Insta pot. So, let me look at my cheat sheet. Half a cup of liquid, for about 10 minutes. So we're just going to lay those down in there. There's the pot. I'm going to use that so you can turn that down a little bit. I've got this chicken broth, and I'm just going to put that down in my Insta pot. That'll give it some good flavor. I'm going to turn that way down until I get ready. Now I'm going to put this in the Insta pot for 10 minutes. Not much to it. We'll put it on meat for 10 minutes. Okay, now we've got that going. Now I'm going to use that barbecue sauce that we used. That we made. No, that's some of the best barbecue sauce you'll ever eat in your life. So we'll get our onion, go ahead and cut it, give it peeled and chopped, kind of chopped. Let's set that over there. Get this into the trash. I've got crumbs all over it. Okay. That was from my toast this morning. Now, I'm going to, I've got some of this cilantro. We'll take some of our cilantro and put that out. Probably should use this cilantro because I'm afraid it's not going to be good for use. So let's just take what we have there because we don't want to waste it. Might as well go ahead and use it. Let me see that. You know, I made that barbecue sauce and I canned it, and then I put another in this big ketchup bottle. So we've got plenty barbecue sauce. Got plenty barbecue sauce. So now I'm just going to kind of chop these little greens up. It's kind of a little side. Let's put that over. That'll get some of those meat juices and stuff off of that griddle. Then we'll just cut these. We'll keep that other half of the that onion. case somebody wants some onion on it. I just want to kind of saute these a little bit, and I thought I'd get those meat juices in with that, with those onions. Then I wouldn't have to make up have to use another pan. Put a little olive oil in my mouth. Just let them kind of not, well, I guess you could call them caramelized a little bit. Sit there and turn that up a little more on that one, because we're cooking more down on this end, so let's just put a little salt on it. I'm going to get a little bacon out of here. I bought this thick cut Oscar Mayer for $5.99. This bacon, which will be exactly good, really good for our beans. Nothing like good bacon and sauteed bacon into the red beans. I'll kind of stir fry that around. Get one more slab of that, piece of that. Okay, I can re-wrap that. Well, it smells delicious, y'all. Yeah, that's cooking down good now. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my griddle off so I can get that taken care of. I didn't soak my beans last night, so I'm going to put about that's about close to 2 cups of beans. So we'll just let that sit there and cool off. Well, that's gonna be good, y'all. Whatever you put it on, that's just a good topping for anything. Put it in anything, it's good. Good, good, good. Okay, I'll be back just as soon as I see what's going on. Okay, we got this going, we got that going. I went ahead and put just onions and store-bought French fries in here just to quicken things up. So we'll let them cook down. Now this is the pork. I've took it and I've ground that up. Well, it kind of ground itself up from the Instapot, so that pork was cooked very well. And I forgot to show you, so this is what we have our pork for our bread and sandwiches or whatever we decide to do with it. Then I put the recipes on there for this barbecue sauce, the best red barbecue sauce that you can ever get. And I've got plenty in the icebox to add a little if we do decide to do it on bread. We've got cornbread. And then of course you can't do anything without red beans. So that's what we've got is our pork and our potatoes with some onion. I made fried cornbread. So now we've got beans and cornbread and fried potatoes and onion and barbecue. I don't think it can get any better than that. Now I'll just saute these, really fry them with these onions because that's what gives them such a good flavor. I haven't salted them yet. I'll just add some salt to them, pepper. I'll mix that around a little bit. I don't want to move them too much or they'll become cream potatoes in a way, so you just be careful. Let's get us we'll put us a lid on it. That'll soft fry those potatoes, as Miss Brenda says, soft fried potatoes. But now we've got, I think, everything done. So that's what we're going to have this evening for our meal. And y'all saw how we did the pork and in the Instapot. I did the beans, red beans in the Instapot. I didn't even soak them overnight, but boy, they come out good. So that's what we're going to have. We'll talk to you soon. God bless you. God bless the United States. We'll talk to you later. Wish y'all was here to eat with us. Bye-bye.